Good day, grade 12 learners, and in today's short video I want to show you how you can actually implement conditional formatting in a form or a report. And this is something that does rear its head every now and then in your pracs. So I'm looking at my table over here, and I'm going to specifically look at the ages of these individuals, and you can see there that they vary in age. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my form. And let's say I want to actually highlight all those learners who are, I don't know, somewhere between maybe like 16 or 17 years old. So we're going to go into forms. I'm going to go to my design view, and I'm going to go to age, right? Because that's the one. From there, I'm going to go up to the format tab and have a look over here. I've got conditional formatting. So I'm going to apply a rule to age. And I'm going to say if the field value is, let's say between, let's go 16 and 18, then what must happen? It must go bold. We're going to change the color, and we're going to do a fill as well. And then I'm going to click OK, apply, OK, and then I'm going to go back to my normal view. Now I'm going to move through my records, and do you see, as that record goes through 16, 17, 16, 17, 18, if anyone is, there we go, there's one that was 14, do you see, it has no formatting. So now I've applied conditional formatting within my form. Let's go to our report, and let's do the same thing. Let's say we want to highlight grade 11s. So I'm going to go into my design view, and in the grade, I'm going to go to format, conditional formatting, new rule, and I'm going to say is equal to 11. Bold, italic, underline. Let's make it a red color with yellow text. Okay, apply, okay. We go back, and can you see? The conditional formatting has now been applied to whatever is in that particular field. Right, and there we go, grade 12s. That's how we apply conditional formatting to our forms and reports.